Alright everybody, it's a little bit of a different video today, but guess where we're going? We're gonna get our new Tesla Model 3 Performance. Everybody's been waiting for it. I'm excited for it. We're about 10 minutes away. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. Woo! We've been waiting for this car for so long.
So, in this video, we're just gonna do a first impression. We're gonna take a look at delivery, we're gonna take a look at the car. And I guess I'll just show you around what's different, what's amazing, what I think it's amazing, and we'll test it out for our first drive. You wanna drive it too?
Yeah, let's see.
Let's go. I'll see you guys there. I'll see it.
Alright guys, we're pulling up.
Alright, where's my car? Where's our car?
Alright, there's a lot of people today.
I'll park right next to it.
Alright, we're pulling up.
It's the same guy.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
What's up? No. Good. I'm gonna deliver.
Okay, go.
This is ours. I like this color.
No.
Nice.
Yeah. Here you go.
You never bring a license?
No, I was supposed to bring it. I was gonna bring my wallet, but then I'm like,
Spoiler starter inside this time. Alright, I'm excited! I'm excited for this car. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Yeah, I think that's there.
Yeah,
Actually not bad, no? It's kind of dark.
I know, it's cool.
Kind of black, in a way. Yeah, it's not that bad, actually. I thought it'd be more gray, but it's actually not that bad. But the blue one, though, look at the blue one.
We're gonna be sharing this footage, but okay. Right.
Oh, yeah, we were working with him.
Oh wow.
Black one, right? No, this gray.
There's a red one, yeah.
Okay.
There it is.
Yeah.
Kirsten, there it is. Wow, this is so cool. Alrighty, baby, go.
Alright, you guys
there.
ready to check out this amazing art? This amazing piece of art. So we got the P0 wheels. Extra load. These are thick wheels. Got the amazing red brake calipers. Yeah, I gotta take these aero caps off. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Look at the eyes. It's like some
Chinky.
Yeah, like a cat eye or something. That's really cool.
Ooh, so nice. So nice. Ooh, this is nice. Even the door closing sounds nicer. Don't you notice that?
No, I did not.
Look.
Like, oh yeah, it's
like,
more like.
It's more bassy.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Change it to pink.
Is
Ooh,
it?
that's cool. I don't know if you guys could see it, but there are lights here.
That's awesome. Nighttime's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
But what's the use of this though? So there's lights
just,
here, and we can
more
change
bougie,
it.
More bougie.
We can change it to different colors, and
I
at
can't
night
move
would
it
be.
yet, though.
So at night would be like, just imagine like the star roofs that people have. So this is like the star roof of it. It's just like right on the sides.
I think the other car doesn't have it. So it's 3 speakers. 1, 2, 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and then.
So there are apparently how many?
I don't know, like is it 13 or 15 speakers? I forgot. Oh yeah.
I don't like this. This is one thing I don't like about it.
Bougie.
I
Look,
don't know.
this is the ludicrous. I think it's called ludicrous or performance thing. It's really cool. Let's try out the
Wait,
new.
say it again.
I just connected to the Apple Music, so we're gonna try out the new sound system here. Let's go. Which one do you want to play? Let's do My Station.
Let's play Where You Are by John Summit.
Let's see. Well, we can't play it. Wait, that's.
Woo!
Alright guys, we're gonna go inside, get our keys, and take it on a test drive to see if it's much quieter. People say it's much quieter.
And faster.
Let's see how much faster it is. Yeah, let's go. Look, they even got this. Thank you for Tesla Coma delivery team. Congratulations, Justin and Kirsten. Not just Justin. It's Justin. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. All right, guys.
We're official.
It's
We
official.
just got the keys to the car.
Boom, right here.
Boom.
Got 2. All right, now I'm gonna set up the phone key. Let's take it for a test drive, huh? And then you can take my old car back home, and I'll drive this new one. I'll see you in a month.
He's letting me drive the Honda back home, and he's gonna be having fun here.
Oh yeah,
by
it's gonna be
himself
fast.
with a car.
Let's go.
Whatever. But I'm driving that to work next week.
No, you're not.
Every single day.
Nope.
So it's my turn. It's gonna be my turn by that time.
All right, let's go. Let's rock and roll. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh, so much power. You feel that?
I don't. Careful now.
There definitely is a lot
We
of power.
just got this car.
Yeah.
There's a car
Oh,
that's.
can you take that off the windshield? Ooh.
Is this gonna be our license plate? Or is it gonna change?
Temporary. That's temporary. Dude, this is so nice. Even, dude, this is nice.
Careful, okay? Be careful.
Yeah,
We
I
just
gotta
got this car.
Set up my. Dude, I just like this. All right, that's the.
Wait, so the new Tesla doesn't have those?
No more. Yeah, no more stocks.
What's wrong with that? Now it's like a toy car. I kind of like the yoke. I want the yoke.
We should get it. We should upgrade to it. All right, let's go this way then.
Okay, this way.
Ooh.
It feels the same.
It's quicker. It doesn't feel as heavy. It's quieter. It's quieter than the Model Y.
Feels the same. Feels about the same. Oh boy, this guy's not gonna be sleeping at night.
Oh,
This
yeah.
boy's gonna be driving this around the block.
It's power. Woo! That's crazy, dude. You can hear it.
Hey, now there might be a cop. You gotta relax. There might be a
Whoa.
cop. Don't be twisting. This is coma.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. White seats are so.
So where are we
nice.
going?
Home. Home.
How about our car?
Oh, tomorrow. We're bringing a car tomorrow.
No, the Honda is there.
Oh, I forgot about that.
What do you mean?
I forgot we left the car there.
Oh, shut up. You think,
No.
are we really going home?
Yeah, I was about to go home.
No, because you said you were gonna test drive it. You were gonna drive around.
I am. I forgot that. All right, guys. Just came back from a test drive. Guys, too excited. I thought I was on my way home until I realized I left my other car here. So, whoops. Anyways, the first impression of this car is great. I love it. A lot quiet, super fast, like very fast. My head was literally hitting the back of the seat like this. But oh no, great drive. I can't wait to test it out even more. Test out the handling, play around with the settings, and yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. A little bit different video today. I still hope you guys like it. But with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.